evolution of these annelid animals. In these animals, elimination of the nitrogenous waste materials with the help of the nephridia. The nephridia are the excretory organs in annelid animals. These nephridia are divided into septal nephridia and micronephridia, macronephridia. Different types of the nephridia are there. So the primary function of these nephridia, that is not only for the excretion. The primary function of the nephridia is osmoregulation. Primary function of the nephridia is osmoregulation, and the secondary function of this nephridia is excretion. Primary function of the nephridia is osmoregulation, and the secondary function of these nephridia is excretion. So here the chief excretory product of these annelid animals are ammonia. So these animals, the excretory product is ammonia, so those are ammonotelic animals. Now coming to the nervous system. In these animals, the nervous system that forms supraesophageal ganglion, subesophageal ganglion, those are connects with the circumferential ganglion. These three forms brain, and from the brain a double ventral nerve cord arises from the subesophageal ganglion. These are actually, this is brain or nerve ring with double ventral nerve cord. Double ventral nerve cord means two nerve cords are present in these animals' nervous system, but these two nerve cords remains separate. But these two nerve cords are connects at the ganglion region. So the nervous system of these animals, that includes brain or the nerve ring with double nerves, double ventral nerve cord, ganglion and their nerves. This is the nervous system. It looks like a ladder. This is regarding to the nervous system. In these animals, the sensory organs includes different receptors, tactile receptors, gustatory receptors and photoreceptors. Tactile receptors means touch receptors, the receptors which is able to detect the taste. Gustatory receptors to see, that is the photoreceptors are present in this sensory system of these animals. Going to discuss about the reproductive system. In these animals, both male and female reproductive systems both are present in the same individual. So these animals are bisexual animals that exhibit monoecious. So this is bisexual animals. So these animals are hermaphrodites. Right? See, in these animals and unisexual animals, some are bisexual, some are unisexual animals. Unisexual animals, dioecious, it is present in Nereis. So unisexual animals, examples are Nereis. In these animals, the process of development is indirect development. Indirect development, no larva stages. See, Nana? Simple definition for this one is UNI. UNI. U means unisexual animal, N means Nereis, I means indirect development. So that is unisexual animals. And coming to the bisexual animals, the bisexual animal example, leeches. In these leeches, this is then example for direct development. Direct development includes larva stage. The larva stage of these animals are trochophore larva. Trochophore larva. Trochophore larva is present in these animals. In earthworm, at the 14th segment of these animals having female genital pore. Female genital pore. At the 5 by 6 and 6 by 7, 7 by 8, 8 by 9 segments, it has 4 pairs spermatheca. Spermatheca. At the 17th segment, it has male genital pore. Male genital pores. The number are 1 pair. Number are 1 pair. So these are the reproductive system. So mostly the development is direct. Some of the animals the development is indirect development also. The common names and scientific names one more time for you. Those are important. Nereis, ragworm, Aphrodite, sea mouse, Arenicola, sandworm or lugworm, Haridinia, freshwater leeches, Pantopdella, marine leech, Chaetopteris, paddleworm, Hemiptera, land leeches, Unis, Polalloworm, Hyrido medicinalis, medicinal leech, Lumbricus, European earthworm, and Amphitrite ornata, ornata worm, and Palino, this is scale worm, Sabella, peacock worm, Tubifex, bloodworm, and Bonellia, spoonworm, and Icenia, that is redworm or the tiger worm. These are the common names and the scientific names of the annelidan animals. I hope everyone should have understood these general characters and scientific names. Thank you. Thank you.